Para each time na makikita mo yung mga outside positive day delivers, this is local shall be added unto you. Ang ibig ba yung mga training? So second is to be organized para maging writers. Start your journey on how to become rich. Thank you very much. Let's go, let's go.
Breakfast naman ako, kaya lang dahil kumakain si Doggy, pero sabi nila payat daw ako. Hindi mo ako nagdi-diet. Hindi po ako nagdi-diet, kaya lang try ng kain. Umaga sa lahat ng delivers natin, and this is the first time tayo panood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yan, Doc Gigi Sungan. Okay, so ngayon papunta tayo ng Bulacan sa Aquinas Scholar Academy. I'm a school consultant there, so visit natin ngayon. We'll be talking to the president plus sa legal officer nila, then we'll go to one barangay for promotion. Okay, but yeah, that's not our topic. Ang topic natin, how can I help your business? So sa lahat ng mga you want to start your own business or you already have your existing business, how can I help you? I have my one registered business, that is GDS Corporate Training, and yeah, GDS Corporate Training, right? So I formed this business. I started this to primarily to help those who want to start. Kasi minsan maraming gusto magnegosyo but they don't know how to start. Okay, so and what to do, what's the next step sa business nila. So how can we help you? Number one, do sa lahat ng mga gusto mag-start, so we can help you from the processing of your business, from the permits. And if you want to, let's say for example, you want to put up a school or any business, you want to register as a SEC, so my team can do that from registration sa SEC, from what do you call that, kung gusto nyo sa local lang, DTI, or you want to register it for as future na magpapa-franchise kayo, we can help you to that aspect. Okay, from registration. Second, to the setup ng yung business. How are you going to start? What are the different things that you need to consider, location, everything, right? So, and of course, the training of the people. So, yun yung ano natin, yun yung we can help you on that. And for the business owner, we have a special one-on-one consultation, series of consultation. So, I'll be discussing what are the traits of what do you call that, the business owner. So, I'll be discussing the different circuit. I just learned this one concept from the book that I've read. I bought it in one of the bookstores. So I learned that as a business owner, we have default and direct circuit. So ano yun? So di-discuss natin. Okay, when you hire me, I'm going to tell you that as a business owner, when do you use your default circuit and when do you use your direct circuit. Okay, so it's a series of discussion for the business owners. Alright, okay, and also we will help you in your be having a coaching session and training of your people and your social media management. It's important that there will be somebody who will manage your social media. Like 2 days ago, I interviewed the owner of a la carte restaurant and catering services. So sabi nila, according to the owner, 80% of their clients is coming from 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 the social media. So lahat ng inquiries, orders, 80% is coming that. So they have someone who is answering who's managing their FB page. Okay, so we can do the same to your business. Okay, now for those who already have their like existing business, and so the problem is, what are you going to do next? How are you going to plan the next move in your existing business? Either you expand your products or your services, or strengthen what is existing, that is you can rebrand or repackage your products. So there are a lot of things that you can do in your existing business. Either you add the trends, what is, ano yung gusto ng clients natin, so something like that. So, or you want to expand, you want to branch out, or you want to franchise your business. So this is actually that's how we can help your existing business, right? So that's under GDS corporate training. So again, we are doing it's one, you can choose between it's either business consultant or business coaching. Business consultancy that we offer is normally minimum of 6 months. So for 6 months, we will help you, like one of the companies na hawak natin ngayon sa Manila, 6 months on contract. Why 6 months? Kasi I want to see the results as your consultant. So gusto ko may makita tayong results. Same with this school. Si school na to, at least 1 year ang contract natin dito. Only. Gusto talaga tayo na may-ari ng school. So I want to see kung ang tawag dito, how much enrollment yung population yung kaya nating ibigay sa kanya. So I'm excited for this. I want to see that this June, July, okay, yung results, right? So that's business consultancy. Now, if you want coaching lang, so it's a one-time session, 2 hours with Doc G. It's a personal coaching. Pag business kasi gusto ko personal. So I can visit your place kahit saan bahagi ng Pilipinas, or you can see me sa Manila, Pampanga, Bataan, or where do you want us to meet, hanggat malaya pa ang konti ang oras natin. So yan yung ating that's one of our services, coaching, alright? Or if you just want a training of your people, of your managerial staff. So kasi ganito, if this is your level, so dapat yung at least yung mga unit managers, yung department heads, nasasabay sa inyo. Okay, so we'll be doing that. Alright, so kasi hindi pwedeng taas ng level ng motivation, ng desire, and yet yung under mo naman dito lang papatahin natin sila pataas, and including your employees. Kasi sa isang organization or isang company, dapat sabay-sabay yung level of at least, diba? At least hindi magkakalayo. Siyempre, ang lagi mataas ang level of spirit niyan of the business owner. Then second the unit managers or coordinators or department heads. Then followed by your employee. So yun yung gagawin natin. So if you just want me to do that for people management, okay? Then if you just want to concentrate on marketing aspect, we can also do that. So one, we can use your social media. Second, another I have listed here. So madami tayong target. Yan, how to market your business. I listed it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ways to market your business. I'll be discussing that. Of course, I'll not discuss it here. So you hire me so that I can discuss the 13 ways to market your business. So it depends naman. Pwedeng hindi lahat to gawin natin. Pwedeng let us pick 5. Depends on the products or services that you sell. It depends on your locations. It depends on the resources that you have. So something like that. There are many factors that to be considered. Which marketing strategies are we going to use in your business? Okay. So right, and we also be doing some plans. So ano yung plan ng business nyo? We basically I will help you to become a visionary. Okay, so as a business owner, you should have your vision. Dapat ang layo mo sa business mo at least 1 year, 2, 3 years. Step higher ka sa what is existing. Dun ka na nakatingin. I talked to one of our business partners, Sir Harold. Nag-usap kami na yun na siya kasi very visionary yan si Sir Harold. So nandun lang That's why we came up with one company that is a training company where I'm a stockholder, not stockholder, board member. So I own a company, partly owned a company. Okay? So actually 5 kami na member ng board. Okay? Alright, so that's how we can help your business. So sa lahat ng mga meron negosyo ngayon,